Look at this beautiful morning. I'm at skate park waiting for Wings and Wheels. It's at the airport though. I need to get there. But amazing day. My hair's messy. Amazing day. Listening to Maroon 5. I cleaned my room yesterday, so I had a playlist going. But Maroon 5, better. I don't know how good of a view you'll have, but good enough, I think. I don't know. Floaty day. I don't think you see that. Dang it, dude. I can't roll it backwards. Hey. Close though. Anyway, beautiful morning. It's like what? 8 o'clock? 8:15. I'm leaving here about 8:25. My friend's house is driving me to the airport. I don't know, I kind of want to try some stupid stuff, but I'm alone. No one here. So I'm not going to try stupid stuff. I'm just going to stick to what I've been doing and what I know. But yeah, it's my morning so far. I'll film more Wings and Wheels. Mostly shorts, no full length, no vlog. This might be really bad, like, really bad, I don't know what it's called. I don't know, good content, bad, like, I don't even know what it's called. If you know, let me know. But beautiful morning.